Introducing the Dream Pilot Magic Kneeboard, the last kneeboard you'll ever need. Built with military-grade materials, it's compact, lightweight, and ready for flight. Inside the box, everything you need for a perfect cockpit setup.
Each kneeboard is proudly produced in our own facility in the Czech Republic. From design to final assembly, we control every step, ensuring top-tier durability, precision, and uncompromising quality for every pilot. Designed for quick, secure setup, the soft, elastic strap adjusts comfortably to your leg, while powerful magnets keep your tablet locked in place, even in turbulence. Dream Pilot sits flat and sleek on your leg. No wobble, no movement. Unlike others that sit raised and shake during flight. Clamp-style kneeboards are bulky, can block controls, and still wobble. Dream Pilot keeps it safe, sleek, and secure. Cheap plastic bag, or a premium box you're proud to open. Dream Pilot delivers quality, inside and out.